Good morning, kindergarten. We're coming to you live from the Kirk kitchen, and this will be our first installment of Boredom Busters, just for you and your family. Today we're going to be making one of our very favorite snacks, and you may be able to do this too today because very simple ingredients from your kitchen. So let's get to it. First thing first, we need to wash our hands. Grab the soap and warm water, and everybody wash and dry your hands. The recipe is called Monkey Munch. What letter do you hear at the beginning of monkey? I hear the letter M. Munch. I hear the letter M at the beginning of munch. Can you find the phonogram that is in the word munch? Did you find CH, 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 k, sh at the end of munch?
This is what you'll need for Monkey Munch. You need rice Chex, you need vanilla, you need chocolate chips, you need peanut butter, regular or sun butter, and you need powdered sugar, and a half stick of butter.
Working in the kitchen together is a great way to be working on math skills. It also helps with teamwork and cooperation as well as accuracy. So Chloe, give us the ingredients for Monkey Munch.
Okay, so you will need 9 cups of cereal. You can have Chex, Cheerios, or Rice Krispies.
That's right, and when we measure cereal, we want to pour it into our cup until it is
At the top.
at the top. So we're going to have a nice flat 1 cup, and we'll count that how many times?
9.
9 times. Kindergarten, you can count to 9. What else do we need?
You will also need 1 cup of chocolate chips.
Okay, same with the chocolate chips. 1 of these, and when we pour them in, we want the chocolate chips to come just halfway up?
No, all the way up.
All the way to the top.
The next thing you will need is a half a cup of peanut butter or sun butter.
Okay, so this is our half a cup, and we're going to use a spoon. Peanut butter is very sticky, so mom or dad or big brother or sister are going to have to help with this because you'll need to get a spoon, and we're going to have to also make sure that this is level to the top.
The next thing you will need is a 4th cup of butter.
That's right. So a 1/4 of a cup is half of a stick. And so if you have 1 whole stick of butter, mom can cut it in half, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of butter.
The next thing you will need is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, so here's our vanilla. It smells good, but does it taste good?
Not alone.
Not alone, but in our recipe it makes it just extra special. So we're going to pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and that as well we're going to hold over our bowl, and you're going to pour it halfway or all the way?
All the way.
All the way to the top. All right.
And the last thing you will need is 1½ cups of powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar, and of course we've got Costco powdered sugar, a lot of powdered sugar, and we're going to use that at the very end. With mom's help, measure out 9 level cups of cereal and put it in a bowl. Next, measure out 1 level cup of chocolate chips and pour that into a microwave-safe bowl. Then you are going to measure out a 1/4 cup of peanut butter or sun butter and put that in the microwave-safe bowl. Make sure you scrape everything out. Don't forget to place the butter on top of the mixture and put the bowl into the microwave. You will microwave this mixture for 30 seconds. With mom's help, take the bowl out and carefully stir until smooth. Place it back into the microwave and cook for an additional 30 seconds. Take the bowl out and stir until smooth. You may need an additional 30 seconds. Okay, after you have melted your cup of chocolate chips and your 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter or sun butter, as well as your half a stick of butter or margarine. It's a nice creamy texture. The last thing you're going to do is add your teaspoon of vanilla. Remember, don't taste it because it's not yummy. All right, put it in here. 1 level teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna mix this well until everything is all incorporated, which means to be mixed together thoroughly. And it'll look like this. And we're going to be ready now to pour the chocolate mixture on top of our 9 cups of rice cereal. Okay, it's very helpful to have a flat spatula as we begin to mix the chocolate mixture in with all of the Chex cereal. And Timothy, how have I told you to mix this? Because we don't want to crunch the cereal into little fine powder, so we have to be real careful. So what are we going to do?
Do it delicately.
Delicately, that's a good word. You might want to look that word up in the dictionary. We're going to be careful. We're going to scrape down from the sides and gently lift up and fold it over. And we're going to do this for a little bit of time because it takes time to coat all of the cereal. Good job. Good job. So he's gently pushing down, lifting up, and folding over. This takes some time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it smell good?
Yes.
It does
amazing.
smell good. Good. All right. Timothy did a great job mixing and folding the chocolate into the cereal. This is what it'll look like. Okay, so our cereal is fully coated with chocolate and peanut butter goodness. And now we have our powdered sugar, and we're going to make 1 level cup of powdered sugar. So we're going to spoon it in carefully. And Chloe, she's going to make it extra full, and that's probably good. Show them how to make it level. So we're going to hold it over the powdered sugar container or another bowl if you have one. You're going to turn the knife over onto its flat edge, and she's going to scrape across the top, and that makes a perfectly level 1 cup serving. Okay, so we're going to take this, and you're going to need a large or extra large Ziploc baggie. And we're going to dump 1 cup into the Ziploc baggie as well as another half of a cup. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to scoop some of the coated chocolate cereal into the Ziploc bag that has the powdered sugar in it. We don't have an extra large bag right here. Usually we use the giant ones and we can fit all of the cereal into it, but so we may have to do this in 2 different servings. So we're gonna fill it up as much as we can.
Yes.
And
Get as much as you can into 1 bag.
okay, we're gonna make sure, moms and dads, make sure that the Ziploc bag is completely closed, because now what we're gonna do is we're going to shake the cereal and incorporate the powdered sugar all over the chocolate. And so the chocolate helps it stick, right? Okay, so we're gonna do this for a while, and we're gonna do it in a couple different batches, and we may need a little more powdered sugar just to complete what we have right here, and then we'll be right back.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Okay, after you've done the shaky dance and everything has been powdered sugared up, we are now going to take a nice big piece of parchment paper.
Yes.
Or you could just use a cookie sheet or even a piece of wax paper. And we are going to gently dump out our Monkey Munch onto the parchment paper. And we will spread it out, because now we're going to let it dry so that the chocolate hardens like a candy. And then we're going to put it into a Tupperware or a nice container that has a good seal on the top. And this can keep perfectly on top of your counter. If it lasts that long, this will probably be gone today in our house. But this is the final product. So we hope that this can be something to cure your boredom in your home, and give this a try and let us know what you think. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.